500, it is perfect. It is dark right now. And some of you asked me, hey EJ, please give us an update on the Fiat 500 LED upgrade. And finally, the condition is really dark. It's really cloudy here in Virginia. The weather is really strange here. But anyway, you got your answer tonight. And I'm gonna do the LED upgrade update for you guys. Before I come back, please click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll be back. Okay, some of you asked me to make this update video about the Fiat 500 LED headlight upgrade. So this is really dark, right? Well, it's not really dark yet, but when the LED headlight is off, it's gonna look like this. It's kind of dim, but hold on, I'm gonna turn it on. I'll be back. Okay, this is how it looks when the headlight is on. It's really bright, and we're gonna check it out when we drive the car and see how bright it is on the road, and I'll show you whether it is helping us to see the road better. There is no blinking issue, so this is good. Anyway, I'll be back. Let's check it out. Hi everyone, you asked me to make this update video on my Fiat 500 LED headlights. It's really dark right now. We're gonna start driving, and we'll see how the new LED upgrade headlights performs in the dark. I'll be back. Okay guys, check this out. This is with the LED headlights, right? It looks really bright and it's white. Okay, the factory light is really dim, and check this out. Look, it's super dark. I can't see the road, and here we go again. We're gonna go to the part of the road that doesn't have that many house lights. Watch this. Whoa, total darkness, no street light. There you go. See how bright it is? That is so cool. Look at that. Wow, that is just incredible how bright it is. Yeah, look how bright it is. See, we have no street lights, and it's really dark. There you go. Now it's really bright. So yeah, it's really helping us now to see better at night here in this neighborhood, because it is super dark. Even with the house light. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. Look how dark the neighborhood is. There's no street light. We depend on the house light. There you go. Wow. It is so much better to have the LED headlight. It's such a worth it, you know, upgrade. It is so worth it when you upgrade it, because now you can see better at night, and it's for your safety too, especially if you live in a dark neighborhood. And we have a lot of deers here. Yeah, a lot of deers. And look at this. It's super dark, right? Dark, and you can't see. Now it's bright again. Yeah, this is the test that you guys asked me to do, to update you guys on the LED headlights upgrade, the quality, the actual driving experience at night. And look at this. Really dark, right? Now is, look how bright it is. You can see the road. And the thing about it is, the headlights is pointing down on the road. It's not shining on other people's eyes. Yeah, we haven't getting beam or flashed by incoming traffic, because it's not flashing in their eyes, because the headlight, LED headlight, is pointing on the road. It's actually shining on the road, so it is good. It's just I got farther distance, what do you call that, beam now. I can see the road condition better. Look at this, super dark. Here we go. Look, isn't that cool? Yeah, this is just amazing, guys. So if you haven't upgraded your headlights from the factory headlight to LED, I encourage you to do it. Look at this. Watch, right? Dark, bright. So yeah, so cool. Anyway, I'll be back. Oh my god, everyone, it is so nice. As you can see, we can see better now at night with the LED headlights, light bulbs upgrades. Yeah, it's super nice, especially in the dark neighborhood where there is no street light. So anyway, again guys, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. Love you guys, bye.